Hello, we are Irati Beñaton Mayalen. We recently visited Euskaren Etxea in Bilbo with our classmates. The visit was 3 hours long.
Our tour guide told us about the origin and history of the Basque language. We analyzed the 7 types of euskera based on the different provinces in the Basque country.
And at the end, we created a comic to practice our euskera. Some of the information we found interesting was:
Euskera doesn't belong to any language family, existing or non-existing, which makes it very special.
After years of research, it continues to be a language of unknown origin. It started as a small, isolated language. There were 7 types of euskera, called euskalkia. Euskera Batua, meaning unified euskera, was created after many years of debate.
Euskara Batua is mainly used in administration, education, TV and radio.
It was a fantastic day. We invite you to visit Euskaren Etxea in person or on their website.